To start, pull and lift the two halves apart to unfold your power wheelchair. Push the chair lever on the lower back portion of the frame to lock the chair in the unfolded position. To attach the controller, lift the tension lever to loosen the clamp. Slide the controller over the curved end of the armrest. Turn the tension knob to tighten and close the tension lever to secure it in place. The controller can be attached to either armrest. Fit the controller cable into the cable clip fastened behind the armrest to keep the cable out of the way. Locate the battery on the underside of the seat. Cut the zip tie that binds it to the frame. Slide the battery back towards the battery holder until it clicks into place. Adjust the level of the armrest to your desired height. Lift the lever to release the tension. Slide the support into a groove to set the new position, and push the lever back down to lock it in place. Attach the seat cushion using the Velcro strips. Make sure the seat belt is not stuck underneath the seat cushion. Adjust the height of the seat by loosening the screw knobs underneath the back end of each armrest. Lift or lower the backrest to the desired height and retighten the screw knobs. Switch the drive levers located behind each rear wheel from manual mode to drive mode.